Guys, welcome to my vlog, and this is swimming pool. Ma, say hi. Welcome to my vlog. So may resort din sila dito, ma. Gusto ko maligo. Ay, basala kami ha. And guys, welcome.
Wala ko nag-aatingin yung CCTV.
Always. And this is where I want to go. This is Herpine. Pa, may swimming pool na malalim kayo. It can inspire me, though, making some shelves like that. Maganda dito. Pwede ka maligo, pwede ka maligo, pwede ka matulog, pwede ka mag-camping. All of your choices will be all right. I love the swimming pool here because it's never will do. But this is the favorite thing I just want to say. Be active. Say hi. Hi. Opo. Welcome to my vlog.
Hello.
This is Ate Gemma. Adto may swimming pool maligo. Ay, surprise guys. May tao po dito na punta. And I'm going to go there sa likod. And this is 4 feet. This is 4 feet. This is 4 feet. And this is 6 feet. When the individual of 6 feet, we have only 5 feet. Dito, 4 feet lang man. Pagbata po ito. But ito, dili. Just welcome for my own vlog. Papa, say hi. Say hi.
Chat lang po.
Matangkad siya?
Kataon lang mag-good na.
Oh. Wait lang po. Gawa ko muna yung aking. And this is the time that where I'm going to go see. Hayaan mo yan sila nga. It can be ever. Oh my god. This is for my parents. Please subscribe and like this video if you want to go here.
Okay, let Joshua.
And this is a bar. This is like a studio. Ay! Pagkainan. Dito kung gusto mo mag-birthday. Just like this video and answer my all questions. It can be inspiring. That's a high that people will change. So nice. Pwede kayo mag-couples.
Yun sa may iban.
Ay, hindi po. Ito po yung entrance nila.
Gasulod ang ano sa akong naon.
Ito po yung entrance. Maganda po dito.
Dito.
And the video will change.
Sa entrance man yan. God.
Wait lang. Ano dali
And this is my father. He owned this vlog. Wait lang, never going. Pasok. Hindi pwede dito magpasok. Madumi. Say hi. Ask something for the vlog. Just ask for the vlog. Ako lang. Ako na, good. Matangkad pa ako. Saan. Doon na, guys. Okay, guys, we're here in Manila. We're here in Manila. Ayan.
Dapat na ingani sa balay ito.